Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make money just by watching videos on your smartphone. Yes, that is what I'll be teaching on today's video, how to make money online watching videos. Yes, you heard that right. There are legit apps that pay you to watch videos, and in this video I will review the best ones because there are some that are not really that good. So in this video I'll review the best one. Make sure to watch till the end because I will share some secret tips on how to maximize your earning and avoid being scammed. Before we start, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more money making strategies. Now let's get started. Now, how does this work? Yes, how can you make money on your smartphone just by watching videos? Many companies and advertisers want people to watch their videos, whether for promotion, ads, or review. Instead of spending all their money on traditional advertising, they pay users like you to watch their content. By using specific app, you can earn real cash or reward just by watching short clips, ads, or even movie trailers. This is a simple and legit side hustle you can do in your free time. You won't get rich overnight, but you can earn extra money for your airtime, data, shopping, or even PayPal cash. If you really like this video, then hit the like button and let's move to the best part that pay you for watching. Yes, the best apps that pay you for watching videos. Yes, there are top legit apps that pays you to watch videos. Yes, like how there are others, they are still the top ones. Now, one of the top legit app is Swapbucks. Yes, Swapbucks, one of the most popular app that pays users for watching short videos, ads, and even answering surveys. They pay through PayPal, gift card, or sometimes even cryptocurrency, depending on where you want them to pay, you want them to pay you with. The second one is Inbox Dollar. Inbox Dollar. You can earn money by watching videos, play games, and reading emails in this Inbox Dollar. A new user gets sign up bonus anytime you register. You will giving a bonus, yes, for you to start with. Number three is Clip Claps. This one you can watch funny videos, play games, and earn real money. They pay through PayPal or in-app reward, yeah, or they can give you some reward inside the app which you can convert to cash. Now the fourth one is TikTok bonus rewards. TikTok sometimes run program that reward user for watching and engaging with videos. You can also refer friends and earn additional income. Yes, that's for TikTok. Sometimes they just do some stuff, not every time, yeah. Number five is Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a trusted reward site that lets you earn by watching videos, taking survey, and completing simple tasks. Yes, Price Rebel. These apps are 100% legit. All these apps that I just mentioned, they are 100% legit. But any based on how often you use them. If you want me to make a video, testing this app, comment below and let me know. Yeah, so as if you want me to make a video testing the app so you know how to use them, comment it in the comment section so that I can actually do those videos for you. Now, how much can you earn? Yes, because you're actually watching videos so you can earn. How much can you earn? Earning depends on the apps and how much time you spend watching videos. Yes, you can make up to $5 to $50 per month because it's not that really high, yes, but it depends on the app and the task. Yes, you might even earn more than that, but it depends on the apps and the time you spend on this. Some apps allow you to cash out via PayPal, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. The best strategy is to use multiple apps, yes, to increase your total earning. Don't just depend on one app. You can use multiple apps like 2 to 3 years so you can increase your earning. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future updates on legit income online stream. Now, if you want to maximize your incomes, these are things you should do. Number one, use multiple apps. The more apps you use, the more money you can make. Number two is be consistent. Set aside from 10 to 30 minutes daily to watch videos and complete tasks. Number three is take advantage of sign-up bonus. Yes, all those sign-up bonus, all those other give sign-up bonus, take advantage of them so you can get bonus. Many apps give free money just for signing up. Number four is refer friends. Make sure you refer your friends because some app may pay extra when you invite other people. Now number 5 is withdraw earning fast. Avoid leaving too much money in the app in case they change their policies. Yes, once you have reached their withdrawal threshold, fast and withdraw your money. Don't leave your money in the app. Now, how do you avoid scam? Because there are some scammers in all this app. Number 1, never pay money to sign up for any app. Legit apps do not ask for upfront fee. Number 3 is always read review before downloading any app. Yes, don't just fail for read reviews. Number 3 is stick to trusted platform like the ones I mentioned earlier. Yeah, the ones I mentioned earlier, stick to them because those ones are trusted any apps. Now let me let you know, making money by watching video is one of the easiest side hustle. You can start today. You won't get rich, but it's a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Those cash can use it for to buy your sub, your data, your airtime. Yes, you can actually use the little money you got for those ones. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more money making tips. I'll be see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.